Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun spring Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to take two of the little I think they're picture easels from the Dollar Tree. I usually find them in the crafter square, and we're going to put them together to make a porch swing. So I thought about just kind of overlapping the top like that, but I thought it would work better with just one. So what I'm going to do is just take the little screw here out of one, remove one of the pieces, so we're just left with one. All I have to do is drill a hole in the other side, and then I can screw that onto this side, and we have a perfect frame for like a little porch swing. I wanted to do like a little garden display, something really cute, and that would get you in the mood for spring. So I just go ahead and put that back together, and this is what we have so far. It's wood, and I think that's fine. You don't really have to paint it if you don't want to. Now for the porch swing. I'm going to use 4 of the little pallet board signs to make the porch swing, but I am going to have to cut 2 of them down, 2 sides, just to make it shorter when it overlaps here at the back. So let's start putting this together. The first thing I'm going to do is just glue 2 of the pallet boards. These are the full size ones, side to side. This gives a really good look, like a porch swing seat. I like the slatted wood. And then we're gonna glue the back of the porch swing together too, like that. And then attach that by hot gluing that to the swing itself. And we have the makings of a little swing. I was trying to decide which way I liked it better, with the taller side on the back. And I think I do like it better that way. For that extra piece of wood from the easel, I just cut that down to size to make little armrests for the side. And then I'm gonna need another piece to kind of hold it up. So you could use that. You could also use some of those little wood cubes from the Dollar Tree. But since you have that wood left over from the easel, you might as well use it, right? So I start here on the seat and I glue the 2 smaller pieces to it. And then I'm going to use hot glue to attach this to the back of the porch swing and to the top of that to give a perfect little armrest there. Just an L shape there on both sides. This is looking really cute. I think that it is ready for the porch swing itself. I just have to find a way to hang it. If you had a tiny like chain, that could work. I'm just going to use some Dollar Tree twine, and it seemed to work just fine, and it held up really well, even outside. I am just tying it to the front, attaching it to the back here with some hot glue. You could reinforce that with a staple if you wanted to, but hot glue seemed to work pretty well for this. And I just put that strap there on the back. It swings like that. It stays pretty steady. I'm just going to burn off some of the little strings from the twine. And to lay in the porch swing, I thought like one of the little frogs, the lounging frogs from the Dollar Tree, would be perfect. He's just the right size. Now let's decorate it a little bit for spring. He's just swinging away, isn't he? Taking some Dollar Tree floral fabric, and I'm going to make some little spring pillows. So I just cut down little tiny rectangles of this floral fabric and hot glue 3 of the sides. Then I can go in and stuff it with a tiny bit of polyfill to make some cute little pillows to decorate this for spring. I also want to decorate the frame of the porch swing to give it some fun spring aspects as well. So I just hot glue these closed after I get a little bit of fluff in there, and I'm just going to put one on each side of the porch swing. That looks super cute so far. Now to decorate it, I'm going to do some florals for the top. I picked up some wildflowers from the Dollar Tree and some of their floral wire. What I want to do is kind of like a trellis, have the flowers like wrapped around the porch swing to really make it pretty. So I just cut the flowers down into little bunches, and I'm just going to wire that to the top. Super pretty. It just adds a nice floral aspect. I'm also going to be making some little flower pots to decorate the swing as well. Super cute. And this is how it looks with the pink flowers here on the top. Now, if you wanted to, you could kind of go down the sides as well. I'm going to decorate the sides. They have like a little shelf there for the easel part. That's going to be perfect for flower pots. I picked up these little mini wood flower pots from Dollar Tree, and I thought I could give them some fun spring colors as well. I mixed up like a light turquoise color for these. I thought that'd be a nice contrast with the pink. And then we can fill them with some tiny flowers. I chose some of the tiniest flowers I had from Dollar Tree. That would be kind of the right scale for a little mini flower pot. In different colors of pink and white. And then I'm just going to use hot glue to attach them in there, just cutting off the little stems like that. No foam or anything necessary, just a little bit of glue in there to hold it together. And then I can decorate the sides with these. If you are worried about it blowing off, you could always attach those with hot glue. This is how mine turned out.